I love this foundation. It blends right in. It's affordable. And if anybody's interested, I will share the link below of where you can purchase this foundation, or you can also go to Sephora. So yes, the best foundation I've ever bought in my life, and it lasts long. I'll just blend it in. I don't have a beauty blender, so that's why I'm using a brush. So just simple makeup look for today. Let me put the top back on. My favorite. Next, I have to get my eyebrows done. So all I'm going to do right now is just brush them. Maybe next week I'll get my eyebrows done. And I'm not going to put anything on my eyebrows because it's just a simple makeup look, like going to work. Like when I'm going to work, I don't need that much makeup on my face. So right now, just brushing out my brows. I'm going to put this back in my bag. Mascara. Just a little bit of eyeshadow. Not a lot. I'm gonna pick this one. This is my favorite. I love this. The color that I might choose, because I'm just going for a simple look today. You guys, I'm just going for a simple look, so this one. Just to brighten up the eyelid, that's all. Nothing dramatic. Very simple. As a beginner, this is how I'm starting off my makeup. Foundation, eyeshadow, and next I'm doing mascara because it takes time to learn how to do makeup. See? Simple and easy. And the last thing I'm applying is my Fendi Beauty lip gloss. I bought this last year and I still have lip gloss on here. Okay, everyone, this is my finished look.